Heavy rainfall this past winter has produced an abundance of brush and vegetation in the mountain communities. And one utility company that services parts of the valley and Southern California has an innovative way to reduce the wildfire threat near its transmission lines. Chowing down to prevent wildfires. More than 400 goats clearing brush north of Shaver Lake near Southern California Edison's transmission lines. Why goats, you ask?
Goats love anything that's got leaves on for the most part.
And they don't mind the rugged terrain. SoCal Edison has been utilizing goats to help clear brush for about 3 years. And acre by acre, they do a pretty good job.
After they get done with an area, this is kind of the outcome you can expect. As all the leaves, some of the bark has been stripped off of the plant.
The utility company contracts with Chasin Goat Grazing of Santa Rosa for the herd. They're mostly all work and no play, with a few naps in between.
You know, they wake up in the morning about sunlight, daybreak. They get up, eat to about 10 or 11, and then they take a nap, maybe an hour or two, and they eat a little bit more, and then take another nap.
The company also brings a Grand Pyrenees security detail to keep watch.
Yeah, they just hang out all day. They nap most of the day, and then at night is when they're pretty active, just checking things out and roaming around the herd.
These nonstop eaters can clear 1 to 2 acres a day, with the goal of stripping 15 acres over the next few weeks and ultimately reducing the wildfire threat in Fresno County. SoCal Edison pays $2,500 per acre for the goats to come in and clear the brush, and yes, the meals are included for those workers.
And yes, those meals are coming fast and furious, aren't they?
Yeah, there's a lot they have to chew through.